I'd be delighted to tell you about how I got to this point in my career. One thing is, I don't think of myself as a marine mammal scientist. I'm honored to be considered one by the public, some of my colleagues, not necessarily all of them, but I didn't start out to be in marine mammal science. Um, I started out, in fact, in French and then moved over into biology when I was a college student because I found biology fascinating. It was an entirely different world. And in particular, I think most people would classify me as a neuroethologist, that is, somebody who looks at behavior and the neural substrate behind those behaviors. What that really comes down to is I'm a voyeur. I get to look at the world through the sensory systems of the animals that I study. The way that I got to marine mammals is I became interested in hearing, in communication, in cognition, and ways that animals communicate, what levels of communication they have, and realized that there's an entire world under the water that is essentially the closest we're going to get to an alien world in probably my lifetime. So it was a series, a concatenation of steps of increasing interest in things that are more and more alien from humans. Basic high school, then through college, double interest in languages, and of course that fits in with the biology and neuroethology. And then from there, tried to work on marine issues. My master's is actually in invertebrates. And from there, I thought, well, I think I'll go from the micro world to the macro world, which led me into trying to do research with dolphins.